Building wealth isn't easy, and honestly, it shouldn't be. If it were, everyone would do it. But today, I'm going to cut through the fluff and give you 11 brutally honest pieces of financial advice to help you build wealth and keep it. These aren't sugar-coated tips. They're the real deal. Let's dive in. Step 1. Accept where you are. First things first, you need to get brutally honest with yourself about where you stand financially. Are you drowning in debt, struggling to save, or living paycheck to paycheck? It's time to stop avoiding the reality of your situation and face it head-on. Remember, you can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Start by downloading a budget tracker and thoroughly mapping out your income, expenses, savings, and debts. This clarity is the first step toward taking control of your finances and creating a plan for improvement. Step 2. Increase your income. You can only cut expenses so much before you hit a limit, but your income, that has virtually unlimited potential. Whether it's negotiating a raise at your current job, switching to a higher paying position, upgrading your skills to qualify for better opportunities, or starting a side hustle, the key is to focus on increasing your earnings. Every extra dollar you bring in becomes fuel to accelerate your journey toward building wealth, paying down debt, and creating the financial freedom you're striving for. Step 3. Spend with intention. Being frugal doesn't mean depriving yourself of joy or the things you love. It means being intentional and prioritizing what truly matters. Focus on cutting out expenses that don't add real value to your life, like unnecessary subscriptions or impulse purchases, but don't skimp on areas that genuinely enrich your well-being, like investing in your education, health, or meaningful experiences. Every dollar you spend should serve a clear purpose, aligning with your goals and values, so you're not just saving money but making it work smarter for you. Step 4. Save aggressively. Saving is non-negotiable when it comes to achieving financial security and freedom. Your first priority should be building an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses to protect yourself from unexpected financial shocks. Once that's in place, set up automated transfers to your savings account or investment accounts, ensuring you're consistently building wealth without the temptation to skip a month. Treat saving as a fixed expense in your budget, just as essential as paying your rent or utilities, not as an optional luxury. This disciplined approach will help you stay on track and reach your financial goals faster. Step 5. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more powerful your financial journey becomes. Time is your greatest ally, and compound interest is like financial magic. It's your money earning returns, and those returns earning even more returns over time. The longer your investments have to grow, the bigger the impact. Don't be discouraged if you can only start small. Consistency is the key. Even modest, regular contributions can grow into significant wealth over time. Begin by educating yourself about different investment options like stocks, index funds, and ETFs, and choose what aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. The important thing is to start today and commit to building a portfolio that works for you, one step at a time. Step 6. Kill high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. It's a true financial life killer. The high interest rates compound quickly, keeping you trapped in a cycle of payments that eat away at your ability to save or invest. That's why it's critical to tackle it with urgency, as if your financial future depends on it, because it truly does. Start by choosing a debt repayment strategy that works best for you. The snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation, while the avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates to save money over time. Whichever method you choose, stay disciplined, budget for aggressive payments, and commit to eliminating that debt. Once it's gone, you'll free up cash flow to focus on wealth-building goals and experience the peace of mind that comes with financial freedom. Step 7. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Relying on a single source of income or one type of investment is a risky financial strategy that leaves you vulnerable to unexpected setbacks. Instead, aim to create multiple streams of income, whether through side hustles, freelance work, rental properties, or dividend-paying investments, to ensure you have financial stability even if one source dries up. Similarly, a diversified investment portfolio is key to building sustainable wealth. By spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and ETFs you minimize risk while maximizing the potential for growth. Diversification helps balance risk and reward, ensuring that no single downturn derails your financial progress. It's about creating a resilient, well-rounded financial strategy that can weather life's uncertainties while steadily building wealth over time. Step 8. Master delayed gratification. Achieving financial freedom. It requires making sacrifices today to create the life you truly desire in the future. That might mean cutting back on luxuries, delaying major purchases, or saying no to some social activities, but it doesn't mean completely depriving yourself of joy. The key is balance. Enjoy life within reason while keeping your focus on the bigger picture. Think long-term and prioritize your goals, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or investing for your future. Every small sacrifice you make today brings you closer to a life where financial stress no longer holds you back, giving you the freedom to truly enjoy what matters most. Step 9. Educate yourself. Money rules and financial landscapes are constantly evolving, and staying ignorant about them can cost you dearly in missed opportunities, poor decisions, or unnecessary expenses. To stay ahead, make a commitment to continuously educate yourself. Read books by financial experts, watch videos that break down complex concepts into actionable insights, take courses that enhance your understanding of budgeting, investing, or taxes, and stay updated on the latest financial trends and policies. Whether it's understanding changes in the stock market, new investment tools, or shifts in tax laws, knowledge is your greatest asset. The more you learn, the more informed and confident your financial decisions will be, allowing you to adapt, grow, and thrive in any economic environment. Remember, ignorance is expensive, but education pays dividends. Step 10. Insurance and estate planning. Wealth isn't just about how much money you make, it's equally about how well you manage and protect it. Building financial security requires a proactive approach to safeguarding what you've worked so hard to earn. Start by ensuring you have the proper insurance, such as health, life, disability, and property coverage, to shield yourself from unforeseen expenses that could derail your progress. Next, plan your estate, including creating a will or trust, to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are cared for. Additionally, take steps to protect your assets from potential liabilities or legal challenges through measures like liability insurance or asset protection strategies. Life is unpredictable, and without these safeguards in place, a single emergency, be it medical, legal, or financial, could wipe out years of hard work. Being prepared isn't just smart, it's essential to securing lasting wealth and peace of mind. Step 11. Build relationships. Surrounding yourself with people who challenge, inspire, and support you is one of the most impactful ways to grow personally and professionally. Seek out communities of like-minded individuals who share your ambitions, and actively engage in networking events where you can meet people with diverse experiences and perspectives. Building these connections not only broadens your knowledge but also introduces you to opportunities you might never have discovered on your own. Don't underestimate the value of a good mentor, someone who has walked the path you're aiming to take and can offer guidance, encouragement, and hard-earned wisdom. The right relationships can push you out of your comfort zone, hold you accountable, and open doors to collaborations, investments, or career advancements that can change your life. Remember, your network is a powerful asset. Cultivate it intentionally and watch how it accelerates your journey to success. Building wealth isn't about luck or shortcuts, it's about consistent, intentional effort. Start where you are, take these steps, and I promise your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.